Hey guys, welcome back to the Wood and Metal Workshop. I'm Kent. Today's a wood project. Pretty quick, simple project. We got to make up some caps for some custom posts that I built. The posts are 4x4s wrapped in composite decking material. The client wanted zero maintenance. The only problem is we couldn't find any caps that worked, and I've already done 2 attempts with the composite material to make caps that would look okay, and they were just okay. So after going back and forth and doing a couple samples and doing some other stuff, we decided that we were going to go with real wood, stain it and seal it, and call it good there. So we're going to use some tools that you don't see me use too often in the shop because they're wood tools, and you know, most of the time I'm working in metal. But anyhow, we're going to get some stuff done here, so let's get the camera repositioned and we'll get going. This is the worst one. I only need 5. This is going to be my test piece. Should always make up a test piece. Give it a try. You might have noticed the table saw smoking a little bit. Oops, cheap gloves. Anyhow, time to sharpen that blade, I guess. Alright guys, stains had a little bit of time to dry. I'm just going to hit these with 4 or 5 coats of water-based poly. because that's what I have in the shop at the moment. Well, there we go, guys. All set. Gonna take them to the client's house tomorrow. 2 screws in each. And that project will be done. Another quick one. Thanks for watching. If you haven't yet, go down and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell notification for new videos. And as always, if you liked what you saw today, give us a thumbs up. Make a comment, criticism, whatever. Alright, we'll catch you in the next one.